In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live captions and slide translator in PowerPoint. This feature is a simple way to make your presentations more accessible and engaging, especially for audiences who prefer captions or speak a different language. I'll walk you through the setup and share practical tips so your captions look clean and accurate throughout your talk. First, open your presentation. Make sure the slides you plan to present are ready to go because everything we set up will apply when you start presenting. Next, go to the Slideshow tab along the top ribbon. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools you need for presenting, including live captions. Click Subtitle Settings. This menu is where you'll configure how captions appear and how translation works. Start by setting your spoken language. Choose the language you'll be speaking during the presentation so PowerPoint can recognize your words correctly. Then set the subtitle language. This is what your audience will read on screen. If you pick a different language than your spoken one, PowerPoint will act like a slide translator, converting your speech into translated captions in real time. It's an easy way to support multilingual audiences without changing your slides. Next, select your microphone. Pick the mic you'll actually use while presenting. If you have an external microphone, choose it here for clearer audio and better caption accuracy. Try to speak at a steady pace and enunciate. This helps the captions keep up and reduces errors. Choose the position for your captions, either bottom or top. Bottom is common, but if your slides have important text near the bottom, placing captions at the top can keep your content visible. You can always adjust and preview to see what feels best for your layout. Turn on Always Use Subtitles. With this enabled, captions will automatically appear every time you present from this deck, so you don't have to remember to switch them on later. Now you're ready to present. Start the slideshow, press F5 on your keyboard, and begin speaking. PowerPoint will display real-time captions as you talk, using your chosen spoken and subtitle languages in the position you set. If you pause briefly between sentences and avoid talking over videos or loud audio, your captions will generally be more accurate and easier for your audience to follow. That's the entire setup. It's quick, reliable, and a great way to make your content more inclusive and understandable for everyone in the room. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.